Wanted to do a quick video on Visconti nibs and railroading. So if you have one of the large Stub 1.3 Visconti nibs, if from the factory, these will sometimes have a baby's bottom issue. With that can actually cause hard starts, things of that nature, potential railroading. If, especially on rhodia paper, which is slicker. So what I do to fix these or work on these Visconti nibs is I lightly resurface the tip so to get rid of the baby's bottom, potentially increase the flow and tune and smooth it. Once that's done, the pen should function and write properly, and by that I mean holding it straight on the page. You won't get any hard start or railroading. So okay. Now with that being said, because of the width of the tipping, you can still have an issue if you have a tendency to rotate your pen, even slightly. The wider the nib, the more that can be an issue. And I can demonstrate that here. So if this is straight on, but if I just turn ever so slightly, you can now see on these strokes at the very top up here, there's like a little gap. If I turn a little more one way or the other, and it doesn't have to be much, you can see I'm barely turning it at all. And now we have a railroading. Well, I don't know if railroading is the proper term. Railroading is often something you refer to when you have a flex nib and you flex the nib and the ink can't keep up. I'm not sure if that's the same proper same term for this, but anyway, you do have it where ink is not, it's in a way it is railroading. You have ink on two sides. So that's just one thing, that's, at this point the nib is ground and configured properly. There's really nothing more to do with regards to the way the nib is set up. At this point in time, this is simply a user issue, unfortunately. So you just have to take care. And you can see what's happening is if I turn the nib some, what happens is this left tine is coming up and the right tine is kind of going down. So, and it doesn't take much, you can see, just a little bit. All right, so I just wanted to cover that real quick and discuss that in case you are seeing this. Maybe observe the way that you're writing, and if you are turning the nib slightly right or slightly left. All right, thanks.